Hello students, Vande Mataram. Today we are going to take some examples of functions, response of functions. Okay, here are given dialogue of two persons and given the function in bracket, and you have to choose correct function and write there in second dialogue. Okay, so let's start students. Suyog, how can we improve our English, sir? Okay, so here Suyog asked to his English teacher, how can we improve our English, sir? Okay, and you can see uh, the dialogue of teacher is not given there, and there is given any function in brackets. So you have to choose correct function showing condition which show the condition. Okay, so let's read the sentences here. A dictionary is very useful to improve English. Is this sentence show the condition? No. Next, the teacher is the best guide to improve your English. Is this show the condition? No. So it is not correct answer. If you want to improve your English, you have to read newspaper and listen to the English news. Okay, so this sentence show the condition. You can see here the word if you want to improve your English, you have to read newspaper and listen to English news. Okay, so here in this sentence show the condition, this sentence show the condition. So this is the correct answer of this question. Okay, so right there, how can we improve our English, sir? The answer is, if you want to improve your English, you have to read newspaper and listen to English news. This sentence show the condition. Okay, so this is the correct answer of this question. Now let's take another example. Manan, what do you know about our new principal? Okay, now Palak going to answer this question, and in bracket the function given showing comparison. So let's choose the correct sentence which show the comparison. Okay, that means degree. Okay, first, our new principal is wise. Okay, next, our new principal is fond of music. Our new principal knows how to teach English. So upper third sentences do not show any comparison. But you can see in the last sentence, our new principal teaches English better than retired principal. So this sentence show the comparison, okay, between our new principal and retired principal. So this is the correct answer. Now next sentence, Ketu, when did you find your lost dictionary? And Renu going to answer this. And in bracket given the function showing action. So let's take and choose the correct answer which show the action. Okay. Last week I got my friend to find the lost dictionary. I was too unhappy to lose the lost dictionary. How hard I tried to find out the lost dictionary. So you can see the section B, the option B is showing result, too unhappy to lose. Okay, and next it show the manner, how hard I tried to find out. Okay, and option B, if you see my lost dictionary, let me know. It's a condition. You can see here the word if. Okay, so lawyer three options is not correct. First option A, last week I got my friend to find the lost dictionary. So this is the correct answer because it show the action. Okay, now next sentence, Seema, the picnic spot is very far from here. How can we reach early? Shilpa, here you choose the function which show the correlation with something. Okay, so let's read the options. We should walk very fast. We should walk as if we are participant of marathon. Okay, so first we should walk very fast. It show the manner. We should walk as if we are a participant of marathon. We should hire a taxi, take such a vehicle so that we can reach there early. So the last section D show the correlation with something. Okay, the question is the picnic spot is very far from here. How can we reach early? So answer, take such a vehicle. Take such a vehicle. Okay, so this sentence show the correlation with picnic. Take such a vehicle so that we can reach there early. Okay, now next, Preeti. This new student seems nervous, doesn't she? Expressing emotions. So here you are going to express emotions. So choose the correct function which show the emotion, which express the emotions. Okay. So let's start. Option A. What a shy student she is. She is too nervous to study here. She is afraid of the teacher. Though she is clever, she is nervous. So option B, it show the result. Option C, she is afraid of the teacher. It show the manner. Option D, though she is clever, she is nervous. It show the alternation. But the first option A, it express the emotion what a shy student she is. Okay. Now next, Aswari, why did she leave our school, Bhairavi? Showing purpose. Here Bhairavi going to answer and he show the purpose. She show the purpose. Now choose the correct function which show the purpose. Okay, let's see the options. Option A, she did not like our school. Our school did not offer science subjects, so she left our school. Okay. She did not have more friends in our school. She could not reach school in time. Which sentence show the purpose here? Our school did not offer science subject, so she left our school. Now next sentence. Girish, Chitra, why do you like music? Chitra, here you show the function showing habitual past. So let's choose the correct sentence which show the habitual past. Okay, I'm used to be brought up in a school of music. My mother was a musician. I had taken part in music competition. If I had fond of music, would have taken the part in the music competition. So which sentence show the habitual past? Okay, now see option B. My mother was a musician. Is it habitual past? Is it so the habitual past, habit of the past? No. I had taken part in the music competition. Is this sentence show the habit of the past? No. Next, option D. If I had been fond of music. So it is condition. Here you can see the word if is given there, if and then. Okay. So it is also not habitual past. You can see here option A. I am used to be brought up in a school of music. Okay. So used to be. Here the word used to be is there. So it's so the habitual past. So this is the correct answer.